Thank you for your interest in Digestive Disease Week. This brief video will explain the 2026 Abstract Presenter Disclosure Requirements. Presenting authors are required to submit their disclosures by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, December 19, 2025. Abstracts missing presenting author disclosures at the December 19th deadline are in jeopardy of being involuntarily withdrawn and not considered for presentation at DDW 2026. At the disclosure site, presenters should look for their names in the drop-down menu. If you're an abstract presenter and don't see your name in the drop-down list, click the My Name Does Not Appear on this List link and follow the prompts to set up your account. After locating your account, check the Presenter option and then click Next. At the disclosure site, abstract presenters will be asked to disclose all financial relationships with ineligible companies, or indicate that no relationships with ineligible companies exist. Follow the prompts at the site to answer all required questions to submit your disclosure. If you have any questions about the disclosure process, please contact DDW Administration at program@ddw.org. Thank you for your interest in DDW 2026.